welcome back to another video. If you are new here or have been watching for a while, go ahead and click that red subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss any more videos from my tea party. And at my tea party, I love to share planner related videos, some sticker book flip throughs, and some DIYs and so much more. So in this video today, I am going to be flipping through this flowers sticker book. This actually was already in my collection, but I also had gotten this in the Bloom Be Happy box from the Happy Planner. And so because I already used some of my other flowers out of my original sticker book, I figured I'll go ahead and flip through this for you guys, just in case you have been thinking about getting the flowers or you're just not for sure what all is in it. I would love to just kind of have this flip through of this sticker book as an option, just in case you may want to either pick up the flower sticker book or maybe some other sticker books out there for Happy Planner, which I have quite a few here on my channel. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right on into this sticker book flip through. was the flip through of the flower sticker book that was part of the Be Happy Bloom bundle from the Happy Planner. I absolutely love it. Please make sure you check out the rest of my flip throughs that was part of that bundle as well, so you can see what all came inside of that. And I absolutely love this. Also want to share a few helpful tips and ideas if you are new to planning and you're just not for sure what to do with your spreads. To be honest, for me, using the flower sticker book, I could never go wrong. It adds just enough pizzazz, elegance, and just mixing that in with some colorful boxes. You cannot go wrong if you need an easy, quick spread to create for the week to get you going. So if you enjoyed this sticker book flip through and some of my tips and ideas of how to use this flower sticker book, please make sure you give me a big thumbs up. And also leave me a comment down below and let me know which one was your favorite page in this flowers sticker book. So until my next video drops, please stay tuned so that you can check out more of my videos here at my tea party. And until then, I will see you at my next tea party. Bye guys.